welcome back to my channel. My name is Callie if you're new here, and I am the creator of Glazed Epoxy. So tomorrow is February 1st and I wanted to do something cute for Valentine's Day because who doesn't love hearts and cute stuff? So I did this little cute Valentine's set. It just was white porcelain. These two little things were just white, and so I did them in pink and red and some gold and gold splatter, and then I put them on my turner and did some epoxy, and then the bottom tray I just made it white. It was the bamboo, like wooden style, whatever that's called. I don't know. It was wood, but it was bamboo wood. So I just think it's so cute. Like, I love doing little themed things like this. And by the way, we are in my new studio. It's still being done, but it's getting there. It's almost done, and I'm so excited. These two pieces behind me, I did with epoxy. I'm working on a video for them for this channel, so keep an eye out for that. But it's all coming together, and it's so colorful and pretty, and I just love it. So if you guys are interested in seeing more about my room, let me know down below. And I'm working on videos for that as well. So yeah, let's get into the video. All right, so starting with this cute little set that I found. I thought it was really cute from TJ Maxx for just 10 bucks, but I figured we could make it a lot cuter. So just taking these, first thing I did was just prepped it with some vinyl sand so that I can spray paint them. So then now that they're prepped with some vinyl sand, I just took some tape and I went ahead and taped around the top edge. I wanted to leave those out so I could paint them gold. So I just went and taped all the way around the edge. Then just taking the Rust-Oleum magenta spray paint, and I just kind of spray painted them. I kind of did like a little angle of the pink, and then I go in with a red to finish it off with the other side. And I did end up doing 2 coats of paint on these. So then using Colonial Red from Rust-Oleum. Same thing for the little mug. So then once that was dry, I took the tape off. Then just using this gold gilding paint and just drawing as straight a line as I could. I was kind of nervous. I didn't want to mess it up or make it drip, but yeah, just kind of carefully went along the edges of both the heart and the mug. add some kind of like speckles. So I just took this paintbrush and dipped it in there and then just kind of flicked it and made like the little speckles on just kind of from this one side on both of them. Then with the wooden tray, I just spray painted it white, just using the flat white from Rust-Oleum. So then once that was fully painted and dried, I wanted to add just like a couple little lines of gold on there as well. So just taking a little paintbrush, and I just drew 2 little lines. Then I put my cup or my mug and my little heart thing on the turner. So I just took the foam and kind of squished it using some tape, and they stayed on there fine. So of course, using the Artisan Fast Set. So I just did 10 mLs of the hardener and then 20 of the resin to equal 30. I mixed it up. It's really hard to mix with one hand, so I normally mix a little more aggressive than that. So then just putting it on my cup and my little heart dish. Then also I just coated the tray with the epoxy also and just kind of rubbed it on there. And then you see I have it like ran. I should have let the gold paint dry overnight, but I didn't. I only let it dry a couple hours, and it, like a glob of it, decided to run. So just keep that in mind if you do use this, that you should just let it dry overnight. And then I was just showing that I had about 10 mLs left over of epoxy. So here it's still wet. I just was showing you like how smooth the fast set is and just how it just lays out really, really nice. I've loved using it. And I just did one layer of epoxy on them, and I thought it was fine since they're just more of a decorative thing. Like, they're not going to be, if you drop them, they're going to break because they're still like ceramic. So I just thought that was perfect. Took them off the turner. This was the next day. And my little tray was just done, all nice and smooth. So here's the little finished set with some pink hot chocolate and some little Valentine's candies, because why not? So that is it for this video, you guys. Happy Valentine's Day. It's such a fun time to get to spend with your family and loved ones, and little candy. It's like my favorite. Can they just sell a bag of the little conversation hearts, but just yellow? Can we get just banana? Like, is that a thing? Can we do that? Because that would be my favorite thing in the world. Like, I eat the yellows, and then I eat the pinks, and then I'll eat the oranges and greens, and then sometimes I'll eat some whites. I do not eat the purple. I throw away the purple. I cannot with the purple. So let me know what your favorite flavor is down below. And yeah, have a happy Valentine's Day. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.